So to create this kind of eating videos you just saw, all you have to do is to copy the prompt and take a look at what I'm going to be doing, because in the prompt I said a highly realistic 9 by 16 vertical cinematic mobile scene featuring a dash character. You have to choose your character if you want a boy or a girl. Okay, so I will just remove this place the right character. Pay careful attention to this if you want to achieve the same results as mine. Okay, featuring a girl, so we are choosing a girl for this. You can describe the clothes she's wearing. Okay, wearing a modern, okay, modern fitted top. You can go as far as telling AI the color of the top. Let me just say wearing a modern fitted blue blue t- blue top. Okay, sitting behind a wooden table filled with food. You can tell it the particular food you want the your character to be eating. Let me just say chicken foods. Okay, all right, so this is just the two things you have to pay attention to each time you copy your prompts. So after then you click on go, and this is ChatGTP. So ChatGTP is going to give us the image we need to create our eating videos. And you see these videos are getting massive views, like thousands and millions of views, both on Instagram, on TikTok, and YouTube Shorts as well. And they are very monetizable. Okay, so and you can also do this with at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can do it and get consistent characters. Okay, just as we saw in the video, the characters are very consistent, so I'm going to show you the trick that you can use to have consistent characters. So here is the image we just generated, and as you can see, these are different kind of chicken food looking so realistic, guys. So the next thing we are going to do now is to download our image. Click on the download button and it will save directly to your phone. Then we are going to use I'm going to show you two free sites that you can actually use to animate your video. Okay, so let us go over to the first one we are going to be using is Create. Okay, just type on your browser Create AI. So it's loading. So here is Create AI. Once you sign up to this site, they are going to give you free credits. As you can see, I have already used it previously today to create a video, but as you can, I still have about 115 credits left. So just tap. They have so many options here. Image, if you want to generate image, you want to chat, get question, and but we are going for this AI video. So you tap on the AI video and this interface is going to come up. Once this come up, you tap on this icon to upload the image we just generated. So you click on the upload, and as you can see, it's uploading. Okay, so as it's uploading, let's do some settings. Okay, so all you have to do is to enter your promptness, like girl eating food with eating sounds. Okay, then you can like put the aspect ratio if you want to. So I just clicked on go and our video has started. Our video is generating, and in just few seconds our video will be ready. So I will show you the end result when it's ready. So as you can see, our video is ready. So let me click on the play button to see
Let's dig in.
wow. Can you take So our video came out so clean and beautiful. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap on this icon, this download icon here, and it's going to download and save directly to your gallery. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, comment, please subscribe. They are all free. Please do this to support my small channel to reach more audience, please. So I didn't want this video to be too long, so I have to stop with just Ocreate. You can also use Google Flow to animate your video, and for the prompt, check the description. Thank you.